Wow, check this out. This is nice. We have almost high tide on River Thames. Look at that. This is actually, I'm gonna walk across VAUXHALL Bridge to Battersea. Well, what used to be the Battersea power station. That's my aim, to try and film a little bit there to show you what the power station is. It's been transformed into. Yeah, it used to be a power station until Malaysian government bought it and they turned it into a combination of shopping mall and apartments. It's amazing. Look at that. This is right opposite the VAUXHALL Bridge. That bridge there is VAUXHALL Bridge. And that's the view from VAUXHALL Bridge. See that? Those apartments are very expensive. I have to tell you that. Because you're more or less in the middle of London. They would be going for like 1 bedroom flat would be something like, to rent about £2 a month. Yeah, just show you the view from VAUXHALL Bridge. And yeah. Wow, the Thames very high tide today. What's going on? Where's the water coming from? Okay, I'm right on VAUXHALL Bridge, guys. So if you're ever in town, if you're in London at some point, you need to come here. This is your view. Of course, those apartments overlooking River Thames are not cheap. They're very, very expensive. Some of them are rentals, some of them are Airbnb for tourists, for students. Yeah, so, but if you can afford it, you cannot go wrong in reselling it. Yeah. This is a 360-degree view. And then you got that building there. That one's just been recently built. This one. Yeah. And then you got that. Yeah, this is the view from VAUXHALL Bridge. Lovely apartments. Yeah, and you got your boat transport. You got Uber boats. That's where you board your boats to wherever you're going, and yeah, that's where you get off. Yeah, that's some recent phenomenon where you can also now London added river transportation to the complex transport system of London, so it makes sense. So far we've had no issues with it, so yeah, I'll say well done. Yeah, this is the view from Lambeth, VAUXHALL station, VAUXHALL Bridge. Wow, the sun is bright, very sunny now. It's almost like we're in summer, but we're not. It's very deceiving. You can see people wearing their jackets. It's not hot by any chance. Oh, and then again you can see London Eye from here. Also, look, that's London Eye. That wheel. See how, I don't know if you can see it. It's moving slightly. There's a lot of places that you can see from here. From VAUXHAll Bridge. See, Uber boats. And you got a few restaurants on there. Oh, you can see the London Eye better from this angle, look. It's London Eye. Oh my days, River Thames. It's very, very dirty. Not the cleanest today. Okay, I think I'm feeling a bit peckish, feeling hungry now. I'm going to go. I don't even know what I want to eat or what I should eat. Maybe I'll go for KFC today. Been lazy lately to cook. See this new development? There's a map of all this block of apartments. St. George Wharf, SW8, very expensive. Quality place. They have their own concierge. There is underground parking facilities. Everything is there. Swimming pool, you name it. It's a riverside, river walk. You can jog along the river. Yeah, superb. And there's a map of the area for you. If you like to Google, you like to do a little bit of research so you know where I'm at. Alright guys, I'm gonna cut this one right here and she'll see you in the next video. Ciao.